Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, since we're in December, we thought we would make some fun shots for Christmas kind of themes. We're going to be making the Three Wise Men shot. All right guys, for tonight's ingredients, we're going to be using good old Jagermeister. We're going to be using good old Rumple Minze. We're also going to be topping this off with 151 rum. Guys, those are the ingredients for tonight's shot. Let's get to making it. All right, guys, now to make our shot, first thing we're going to do, got our good old shot glass ready to go. We'll grab our tin, put some ice. Okay, first ingredient, ½ ounce of Rumple Minze. All right, our second ingredient, we got a ½ ounce of Jagermeister. Okay, and our third and final ingredient, we got good old 151 rum, ½ ounce. Okay, put our other tin here. Shake this up real good. Whew. All right. Pour this in our shot glass. Look at that bad boy. That is awesome. All right, guys. That is our Three Wise Men shot. Okay guys, now for the taste test. All right, you ready? Okay. Okay, so you get the peppermint flavor from the Rumple Minze. You can definitely taste the herbal from the Jagermeister, and then you've got that burn from the 151. I understand why this is a favorite for a lot of people who come into the bars. This will definitely get you where you want to go. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making the Three Wise Men shot. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please down below hit the like button. In the comment section, if there's a certain drink or shot you'd like me to make, put it down below. And if you like my channel, please hit subscribe. Till our next shot, I'll see you then.